Welcome. Today we'll go through a Queensland sale matter utilising OneFlow in triConvey. To begin this process, the first thing we're going to do is create our new Queensland sale matter. And simply hit Next. Once the matter has been created and you've entered in some client information, we'll navigate to the triSearch tab at the centre of the screen. Within the triConvey workspace, you'll see your key milestones listed on the left-hand side. These include your client onboarding and VOI, seller disclosure, settlement, and electronic signing. In the center of the screen is where you'll complete the bulk of your work. Up the top right-hand corner, you'll find a few key tools, including your All Services, for any additional searches, including state-based, company, people, or court searches. Your Compliance Center, where you'll manage all of your AML CTF obligations. The Search Magnifying Glass to quickly locate any certificates within triSearch. Your profile icon, giving you access to your triSearch settings, pricing, reporting, and the welcome tour. And then finally, our Ask AI support, where you can ask questions on the matter, track certificates, or raise tickets for technical assistance. The first step in our workflow is our client onboarding and VOI. Here you'll complete all your client due diligence and AML and CTF requirements. Simply select the required checks and click Continue to proceed. I won't demonstrate the VOI product today, but if you have any questions, please reach out to your account manager. Next, we'll look at our seller disclosure, milestone, and ordering our certificates. Start by entering either the title reference or lot and plan, and then go ahead and hit Look Up. Once the property details are returned, confirm that they are correct and proceed. If we do need to make any amendments, we can click on the back button to move to the previous screen. From here, you can order the required certificates for the property. These are grouped accordingly to the different parts of their seller disclosure requirements. You can preview certificates using the sample icon, or simply hover your mouse over the information icon to view a brief description of each certificate. In this example, we'll just proceed with our title search and plan image, but you can select additional certificates as needed. Once you're ready, simply click Order. After ordering your certificates, the next step is to complete the seller disclosure statement. In the center of the screen is the form itself, and on the right-hand side, you'll see a navigation panel that allows you to jump between different sections of the form, parts 1 through 6. The form is fully interactive. Simply enter information into fields, select the relevant checkboxes as required. Once completed, simply hit Continue. The next milestone is the review stage. On the left-hand side, you'll see all of your ordered certificates and documents. You can drag and drop, place them into a running order if you like. Use the three-dot icon to hide documents when compiling or to view the order details. You can also upload additional documents from the matter or from your computer. When everything is in the correct order, simply hit Compile. This will generate the final document, automatically saving it back into the matter. You'll also receive a notification advising you that the document is ready, and you can also download from here to keep a copy locally if required. The next milestone is our settlement. Here you can book settlement services and review what's included as part of the order. Following on that is our electronic signing. You can upload documents from either your computer or your matter and send them out for signing directly through triConvey. Below this, you'll find a consolidated view of all of your orders and documents, which you can open individually as needed. Finally, there's a fee summary. Here you can filter by date, adjust your view, and export the summary as a PDF, CSV, or print using the current view, or depending on your reporting needs. And that completes the sale workflow within triConvey. Welcome. Today we'll be talking about the purchase process for a Queensland purchase matter and utilising OneFlow. We'll start by creating a new matter. Simply select your Queensland purchase matter and go ahead and hit Next. Once our new matter is open and we've entered in all of our client details and any other required information, then we can navigate to the TriSearch tab within the center of our screen. On the left-hand side, you'll see your key milestones, starting with your client onboarding and VOI. This is where you can complete all your client due diligence, including your AML and CTF requirements. Along the top right-hand side, you'll find your several key tools. All services for adding additional searches, including state-based, company, people, or court searches. Your Compliance Center, providing an overview of all your AML, CTF obligations. The Search, or magnifying glass, to quickly locate certificates within TriSearch. And your profile icon, for accessing settings, price lists, and also your welcome tour. To the right of that, we also have our Ask AI support, where you can track certificates, raise support tickets, or ask questions related to this particular matter. The first step in this process, or in the workflow, is to onboard our client. Now, I won't go through the full VOI experience today, but if you have any questions regarding the changes, please reach out to your account manager. The next milestone is to order your certificates. Begin by entering in the property details. You can search either the lot and plan or the title reference. Once you've entered in those details, simply hit Verify. The property details will appear below. If anything looks incorrect, you can adjust the council or re-enter the details by simply clicking on Back. Once confirmed, simply hit Continue. Next, we'll select the certificates you require by ticking the relevant options. You can preview certificates using the sample icon on the end of the right-hand side, or you can hover over the eye icon, the information icon, to view a brief description of each certificate. Once you have made your selection, go ahead and hit Continue. If you need to go back and edit your selections, you can do that at this screen here. Otherwise, we'll proceed by clicking on Place Order. Give a brief confirmation once your certificates have been successfully ordered. If any additional certificates are required, you can order them at this stage. The next step, or next milestone, is our settlement. You can either click on Go to Settlement, or you can select it from the left-hand panel. From here, you can book your settlement using the available services, with a breakdown of inclusions displayed on the screen. Following on from this is our electronic signing. Here you can upload documents into your matter via your computer, compile them, and send them directly to your client for signing. Below this, you'll find all of your orders and documents section. This provides a complete list of all certificates, orders, and documents associated with the matter. Simply selecting any item will display it on the right-hand side, where you can download as a PDF, open in the new tab, or print as required. Finally, the fee summary milestone. This section provides a full breakdown of all of your costs. You can filter via date and via view, e.g. user or grouping, and you can also export the summary as a CSV or PDF, or simply print our current view. And that completes the purchase workflow within triConvey.